Welcome to the Scientific Publications channel. We continue a series on the I'm ready structure of scientific article, and today we will talk about one of its most important sections, the results section. This is where you present the key findings of your research. The results are the foundation of scientific discoveries, and if they are presented unclearly or without a proper structure, your paper may not pass peer review. In this video, we will explain how to write the results section correctly. We will also describe common mistakes authors make and how to make the section look clear, professional, and convincing. The results section is the core of your paper. It is not just numbers and data. It's your scientific discovery presented in a clear, logical, and structured way. If you imagine your paper as a story, then the results section is the climax. Everything from the introduction and methods has been leading to this part. What should be included in this section? Specific numbers and facts from your research, graphs, diagrams, and tables to help readers understand the data, a logical structure that makes the information easy to follow. In most scientific papers, the results section contains from 1500 to 2500 words. However, this may vary depending on the journal's requirements and the nature of the research. To make this section clear and logical, follow this structure. Firstly, summary of main results. Start with a brief summary of your key findings. It's important not to mix analysis and conclusions. Only present the data here without explaining their meaning. Good example is, the study found that students who use self-directed learning methods had 20% lower stress levels compared to those who follow traditional learning approaches. Bad example? To obtain results, confirm that the proposed method is more effective and should be used in the future. This is analysis, and it should be in the discussion section. Secondly, data visualization. It's much easier to understand data when it's presented visually through paragraphs, tables, and diagrams. Use here tables for large numerical data sets, diagrams for trends and comparisons, and graphs for showing relationships over time. What to avoid here? Poorly designed graphs without explanation. Too many visuals. They should complement the text, not replace it. Good example is figure number 1 illustrates changes in participants' productivity based on different learning methods. As shown in the graph, Group A demonstrated consistent performance improvements through the study period. If your study includes different types of results, for example surveys and experiments, divide them into subsections. For example, in a study on the effectiveness of new medications, result could be divided into: firstly, patient's condition changes after 6, 14 and 30 days of treatment. Secondly, laboratory test results before and after treatment. Thirdly, comparison with the control groups that didn't receive the medications. Why is this important? A clear structure helps peer reviewers quickly find relevant information and understand how results developed over time. Common mistakes in the results section. 2 general conclusions. For example, the obtained results are interesting. Why are they interesting? Provide exact numbers. Mixing result with analysis. In this section, we only present the data. Analysis should be in the discussion section. Lack of logical structure. If the results are not well organized, they will be difficult to understand, even for experts in your field. No comparison with previous studies. Even if your research is unique, it's good to compare your findings with existing literature. Examples of results section. Bad example. The obtained data show significant changes in participants. What data? What does significant means? Where is the proof? And good example. Productivity levels increased from 65 to 85% after 2 months of using the new learning method. As shown in Table 2, this improvement is statistically significant. The results section is a key part of your scientific paper. It determines whether your findings will be accepted by the scientific community. What to remember here? Be clear and logical. Use high-quality visual materials. Do not mix analysis with data presentation. Structure your section properly for better readability. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments if this video was helpful for you. In the next episode, we will discuss how to write the discussion section correctly. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.